Good afternoon children, welcome to the EVS class. Today we are going to solve air around lessons workbook exercises. First one, remembering multiple choice questions. Look at the given pictures. The first picture shows two balloons filled with air. In the second picture, air from one balloon is removed. What do these pictures show regarding air? First one, air has weight, air has smell, air has color. We can see air. Air doesn't have smell, color, we can't see air. The first option is A, correct. Circle A and write A here. Second one, what does the given picture show regarding air? See, the boy is blowing a balloon. We can feel air, air needs space, air has color, air has shape. Air needs space is the right answer. Circle B and write B here. Next one, fill in the blanks using the correct word from the brackets. Here is the bracket, he has given the answers. Air is like a big dash that surrounds us. Umbrella or blanket? The answer is blanket. Underline blanket and write here. B-L-A-N-K-E-T, blanket. Air has no weight or color. Air has no color. Air has weight, now you already saw that one. In this one, it shows air has weight. Next one, very short answer question. Tick the correct sentence. We can see air. We can feel air. Can you see air? No. We can feel. Gali bisitre gottagutta illo? That is tick. Correct answer. Next one. Does air stay in one place? No. No, it doesn't stay in one place. No, air move from one place to another. Next one, short answer question. Complete the following sentence. Air has no, what air has no? Air has no smell, color is there. Air has no smell and shape. S-H-A-P, shape. Air has no smell, shape and color is the right answer. Next one, understanding. Match the following. Here, 4 pictures are children. This one is, by seeing this you can say that it's a snow. Snowing is there, here sand is there, here dust is there, here thunders are there. Minchu gudugu antevalla, that is a thunderstorm. Okay, this is the snowstorm. Where is snowstorm? Here is the snowstorm, B. This is sandstorm, that is C. This is dust storm. Dulu, Eli, Yella, Haktadla, that is a dust storm. This is thunderstorm. Minchu, Gudugu, Sidlu, Bartadla, that is thunderstorm. Short answer questions. Give one word for moving air, that is wind. Okay, moving air is called wind. Next one, gentle wind, that is breeze. Tangali, gentle sun, bahala, tannampu gali bartatadla. It feels good, breeze. What is a storm? Storm. Birugali antarla, adike storm antare. Okay. A storm is a strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong and fast moving air. Sorry, it's a wind, moving wind. Gentle wind is breeze. Storm is strong and fast moving wind, is called a storm. Antana? Next question, application, multiple choice question. Which of the following does not make use of air? First one, sailing a boat, a burning a candle, flying a kite, a bucket filled with water. Sailing a boat, you need air. For burning a candle, you need air. Flying a kite also, you need air. For filling a bucket, you don't need air. Okay, circle D and write D option here. Next one, which of the following objects does not change its shape when filled with air? Which of the object does not change its shape? This is a tube, rubber tube. This is a ball. This is a bottle, and this is a balloon. All these three need air. If you fill with the air, if these things are filled with air, it changes its shapes. But this bottle doesn't changes its shape. That's why this is the answer B. ಬಾಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಏರ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಶೇಪು? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದು. Next question, short answer question. Why does a burning candle blow out if we cover it with a glass? You already, good children, so many children has done this activity. Okay, this is because air is the covered candle does not get air to keep the candle burning, yeah, keep that burning. Okay, see children, ಗಾಳಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಉರಿತದ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಉರಿಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಉರಿತದ. This is because the covered candle does not get air to keep that burning. Okay, next one, the tubes used in swimming pools float on water. Give reasons. Because the air has less weight than the compared to water. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ, ಏರಿನ ವೇಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದ ನೀರಿನಕ್ಕಿಂತ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತೇಲುತ್ತದು. ಓಕೆ, let's start the answer. Air is lighter, Lighther, lighter than water. ನೀರಿನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಗುರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು. Things filled with air float, ತೇಲೋದು. ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೇಲೋದು. ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ tubes filled with air float on water. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಏರ್ ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The next one is higher order thinking skills. Short answer questions. Look at the given pictures. A glass bottle is kept in each pan. This is a pan, children. This is a pan. Okay. One pan has cold water. One pan ಒಳಗದ cold water ದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು pan ಒಳಗ ಇನ್ನದ, while the other has hot water. ಬಿಸಿನೀರು. ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಣ್ಣೀರು, ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿನೀರು. Can you guess which pan has hot water? A or B? ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ hot water? ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ. How can you see that one? This is the balloon and this is a glass bottle. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬಲೂನ್ ಅದ, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಾಟಲ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಬಲೂನ್ ಉಬ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಬ್ಬಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹಾಟ್ ವಾಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಇನ್ ಹಾಟ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಏರ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಿಸಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಉಬ್ಬಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಬ್ಲೋನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೋನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿನ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ hot water pan. Okay, write the answer. Pan B has hot water.